Hey guys, so today we're doing a very requested skincare routine because you guys always ask me what I use on my skin and what I use to keep it clear. I've had a lot of problems with my skin. I've been taking a lot of care of my skin ever since I was younger, and I keep doing it now because I have very sensitive skin. Like, my sister can literally have the same makeup on for 3 days and she does not break out at all, but me, I do. I have like that. I got like the bad skin genes, which is something I have to deal with, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And right now I feel like I have the best skincare routine that I've had in a while because my skin has been clear for about a month and a half now. My skin is literally never clear for more than like a week ever since I started having problems with my skin, which is like ever since I was like 16. My skin has never been clear for more than a week, and this time it's been like a month and a half, so I'm like living life. I feel like I'm on top of the world, and I feel like I should really share with you guys. So first things first, I don't use makeup every single day, but when I do, I use my Bobbi Brown Soothing Cleansing Oil makeup remover. It looks like this. I will put links to everything down below. So I use my Bobbi Brown to take off my eye makeup and my face makeup, and then I hop into the shower and I scrub my face with the Ives, I don't know, Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. I used to use this before, and then I stopped using it because I would only usually use it at my grandma's house because she's the one that had it. And then I came back over here and I didn't have it, but I never bothered on buying it. And whenever I was in Dallas, I bought it there, and ever since I started using this, I feel like my skin has gone way more clear. I'm recording a video.
I said, call me when you're done. I know you was recording.
It's okay. Okay, I will. Blue. And then I use my Somerville Daily Detox Cleanser. This is another new thing on my skincare routine. I have absolutely been loving this. I feel like this and like another product that I'm going to show you is what has been keeping my skin clear. I got this on PR a couple of like 3 weeks ago or so, and I've been loving it. I feel like I don't know why. This is a daily detox cleanser, so it just takes out all the toxins out of your skin. With this, since it's a daily detox cleanser, I use it. I do the 60-second rule, which you wash your face for 60 seconds. So I saw this thing on Twitter. Sometimes our cleansers don't work because we don't leave them on our face for enough time, so we don't give them enough time to work. So that's why 60 seconds is just like you put it all over your face and you give it time for it to work, and then you take it off, and those 60 seconds my skin gets a very like nice detox. And yeah, so I am really loving this. I feel like this is another thing that has been keeping my skin very clear. And then after I get out of the shower, I come to my room, and whenever my pores are open, I use the Prebiotic Skin Refiner Biofermented Whole Food Extract with Lactic Acid. This is from the Beauty Chef. This brand is so amazing, and it's just an amazing brand. Like, if you want to keep yourself healthy and glowing and just beautiful, I really recommend it. And then after that, this is another thing that I really feel like has been helping my skin. It's the Somerville Acne Treatment. So I don't know if this is like a lotion, a moisturizer or a serum, but I kind of use it as a serum. After I put the Beauty Chef toner on my face, I let it dry, and then I go on with this. This is an actual acne treatment. Because a lot of people are like, oh my god, like I use so much stuff on my face, but it's not helping my acne. Well, sometimes you're using like anti-wrinkle stuff, or you know, stuff like that isn't actually helping your acne. If you're having acne problems, you need to recur to acne products. So something that's anti-aging is not going to help your acne. Whenever I'm done with that, I use the Sunday Riley CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. Since I have oily skin, I always thought that putting on moisturizer was like gonna make it worse. But I actually really like to be moisturized because it's different when you're moisturized to when you're greasy. Like, it's totally different. So I really love to use the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. This is such a good product. It comes in such a big jar. It's just a really nice moisturizer. Then that would be my daily skincare routine. So for masks and stuff like that, I try to do masks every like 3 days a week or so. My favorite masks are the Glam Glow Super Mud mask. This is so good. I put it on my sister today and she took it off and I just hear in the bathroom, oh my god. And she comes from her and she's like, oh my god, this is so good, because she was like complaining that she had like blackheads. So I put this on her and she really liked it. This really works. This just gets really into your pores. Whenever you put it on, you feel like a tingling sensation, and that it's working. It's getting into your pores and it's taking out all the toxins, and I really like that. I've went through about 3 of these already. These are a little bit pricey, but they do a very good job. So this is a soothing mask. This is from Algenist. It's a life prebiotic balancing mask. So this is really cool. This comes in green, so right now it's green, but then you take it on your finger and you rub it on your face. So you rub this on your face until it turns pink. So like that, and you leave it on your face for like, you put it on green and then you rub it all over your face until it turns pink, and once it's pink you let it sit for about, I let it sit for like about 30 minutes. I always like to keep my mask on for like really long time. So same with this one. This one actually dries on your skin, so you can tell whenever you're able to take it off. Whenever it's all like a lighter gray, you know that it's dry and you can take it off. This one actually doesn't dry. This just like stays sticky. Well, not sticky, but kind of like, you know, like it transfers, like it doesn't dry. But yeah, I really like it. My skin feels very soothing after I take it off. And then my favorite kind of masks are detoxifying masks. So the Glam Glow one is detoxifying and this one is detoxifying. This is the Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Clay Mask. I am in love with this one. Sometimes I like to keep it in the shower and then do my whole skincare routine in the shower, and then put this on and just leave it on while I'm shaving or while I'm doing anything else, and then take it off. And after I get out of the shower, my skin just feels so fresh. Whenever you take this off, your skin just feels amazing. Like it feels so fresh. It feels like if someone just dunked a bucket of cold water on your face. So I really like it. It's deep clean, so it takes out all the toxins from your pores. It's a very good mask. I love it. This is from Bloomy. This doesn't actually have a name because I think it's the only mask they have. But you take this off. It's a little bit messy though. That's kind of like what I don't like about it. But that's why I have to deal with charcoal masks. So in here it looks like a jelly. And you have to be careful to not leave it open. So I open it. I quickly put it on my face with a brush, and once it hits like, I guess it's oxygen or something like that, I don't know the science of this, it starts bubbling up. So this is a bubble mask. I don't know when it's gonna bubble up. It usually bubbles up really fast, but you put it on and then it just bubbles up, and then the bubbles go away, and once the bubbles go away and your face is like the black isn't transfer. Once the black doesn't transfer, it's when you know that you're good to take it off. But it's a really good mask. It's detoxifying. Again, I really like detoxifying mask. And then after I do all that, mostly after I take off my detoxifying mask and my pores are open, I go in with this. This looks like a very like a sex toy, but it's not. Right now it's uncharged, but you click this button. And this does like a sucking it does a, what's it called? A sucking motion. So you put this on top and you just run it all over your pores. This takes all the junk out of your pores, literally. Like once you're done with it, you can see all the nasty stuff like in there. It really works. I would always see this on Instagram and I was like, nah, like that can't work. You know, like this is literally a mini vacuum for your pores. So it just literally sucks out all the nasty stuff from your skin. And yeah, that's kind of what I do. That's all the products that I use. Make sure you always wash your brushes. Make sure you always wash your beauty blenders, your sponges, your powder puffs, all that. I try to wash mine, like the ones that I use a lot. I don't really wash my eye brushes, to be honest, but my face brushes, like my foundation and my powder brushes, I try to wash them every 2 weeks. Not like my sister. I think she hasn't washed her beauty blender since she bought it, which was like 2016. But again, like, she literally doesn't break out, so it's not fair. But yeah, that's what I use for my skin, and that's how I treat it. Those are all the tips I have for you guys. I know that this was a very quick video, but I hope it really helped. These are literally all the stuff that I use, and I will leave all the links down below. I really wanted to do a demo, but right now it's literally like 12 a.m. and I'm very tired. I just filmed a look on this look and I made another video, so this is my 3rd video today, and yeah. If I'm gonna upload this skincare routine before or after I upload this makeup look, so make sure you subscribe and ring the bell to get upcoming notifications and see whenever I upload this look. And my other video that I recorded today, which is some hot pippin' tea. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Twitter. On Instagram, I will have all the products that I use for my skincare routine on my highlights. And if there's any change to my skincare routine, I will change it on the highlights and I will let you guys know. And I will also leave all the links up there. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. What else? Yeah, I guess that'll be it. And let me know what other videos you guys want me to watch. If you guys want me to do more makeup or hair or fashion or story times or vlogs or anything, let me know, because I'm running out of ideas. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, guys. See you guys later. Bye.